How to change your age on Discord. So let me show you how it's done. So first things first, this cannot be done through the software which is Discord. So you cannot directly do it through your app or your software that you have on your desktop or laptop. You have to do it through Discord support, and let me clearly show you how it's done. So once you're on your browser, you go to Discord, and once you're here, you click on support. And once you're on Discord support, you have to go on the top right corner and click on submit a request. Once you click on submit a request, you can select on the drop down menu and click on trust and safety. It is the third option. For me, it might be different for you, but yeah, you click on third, trust and safety. And once you're here, click in the username, the email address that you have linked your Discord with, or you have created your Discord account with. I'm going to type in mine, and once I've done that, I have to go to the next tab, which is how can we help. And this drop down menu, on the last option, you can see there is this tab which says appeals, age, update and other questions. Click on it, and once you click on it, an additional drop down menu will pop up, and over here you can see there is this option called update my age information. So we click on it, and then once you click on it, you can add in your phone number, but since it's optional, I'm going to skip it. And this is important, you have to type in the correct date of birth in this exact format, which is month /date/year. And once you've done that, you can check on the please confirm that you've attached required materials option, and you can even give this a subject, age change. I'm giving it a sort of a demo subject, and you can even give it a description why you made a mistake in the first place and things like that. You can describe your situation however you want. And once you've done that, you can now attach files. It's preferably better that you attach your ID or some governmental document which clearly states your correct date of birth and age. And once you've all done all that, all you have to do is click on submit, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment on this video, like the video, and share it with your friends who are having a problem with Discord and their age updation. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Bye bye.